Think you know Japanese cuisine? Think again. Today we're diving into monja, a dish that might look like a culinary accident, but is beloved by Tokyo locals. Hey guys, welcome back. Greetings from Tsukishima. Tsukishima, located in Tokyo, is famous for one thing. They're famous for something called monja.
That's right. Monja is Tokyo's famous food. It looks like okonomiyaki, but it's different. The batter is more soupy. Here in Tsukishima, there are more than 70 restaurants of monja. This is the ultimate destination of monja.
So it's been so long since we've been to Tsukishima. It's been over 10 years. I have to say like more like 15, 16, maybe even 18 years we have not been here. And Tsukishima, I gotta say, it retains its old downtown shitamachi atmosphere, but at the same time, you know, there are some new shops here as well.
Yeah.
I'm really surprised.
The atmosphere is completely different from my image.
Yeah, but one thing remains, and a lot of the shops are monja shops. The funny thing is that monja started out as a children's snack. It was cheap, it was easy to eat and filling. I remember my mom telling me about monja, but these days monja is like gourmet. It's like gourmet cuisine. It's actually very, very popular throughout Tokyo.
So now we are going to go to today's restaurant, Koboreya Kakoi.
I'm so excited.
It's a modern restaurant.
So the shop is located on the 6th floor of this building, and it's really, really modern. So that's something I'm really surprised. So this is the first thing I noticed. And second thing I noticed is that there are individual booths. So you get privacy and it's really comfortable. And you have a really beautiful view behind Satoshi.
What's the good friend of monja? I think it's beer. Cheers, everybody. Kanpai. Nice.
We're starting off with a bang, and we're starting off with the Yamagata beef burger. Yeah, it's not a burger. It looks like a burger, but it's kind of insane. We just watched a guy making it. This is a great thing because neither of us are good at making monja. I mean, we're not too familiar with monja. I've never seen any monja quite like this. It's literally a burger. There's the burger patty made with Yamagata beef, Satoshi's hometown. There are the burger buns, which is grilled on the griddle. You have the cheese, tomato, and onion slices, and these are cooked. And then you have cabbage as well, because that's what creates the base of the monja. And then he chops everything up, and then he makes a little well in the center of the cabbage, and then he pours in the batter a little at a time until it starts to thicken, and it's kind of insane. Like, I've never seen anything like it, but I gotta say, the smell is incredible. It really is. It smells. I've never been so excited to eat monja. Like, I'm not even joking. So you have these little spatulas. These mini spatulas is what you eat the monja with. So let's dig in. Itadakimasu. So all you have to do is just scrape it off with your spatula and you eat. However, you do have to be careful because it is quite hot. That is really, really, really good. I believe they use tonkotsu, pork bone broth, as the base. And then, of course, you have all these ingredients like the Yamagata beef, the cabbage, the onions, and the tomato is giving it a little bit of acidity. But oh my God, it's so good. It's actually really good. You take this right here, you scrape off a little bit of the monja, place it on the burger bun. Actually, that's like eating a really nice burger. I'm so confused, but in a good way, because it's so unique. And it's delicious. Try it, please. Try.
いただきます。Whoa.
It's amazing, right? I am like so amazed.
This one is a very good hamburger taste. Very beefy, nice dashi. The pork and the beef matches so nicely.
We have to try the classic Monjayaki. This one comes with a baby star ramen, which is like deep fried ramen, and pork, cabbage, bonito flakes, tenkatsu, which is like deep fried tempura batter.
まずは土手を作っていくためにキャベツを切り刻んでいきます。どっちかというとしんなりさせるイメージですね。はい、キャベツを、刻むのもそうなんですけど、しんなりさせるっていうところをイメージです。そうすると土手が作りやすくなって吹きこぼれがないと。で当店はだしにすごいこだわりがありまして、こちらの数十種の野菜とお肉を毎日5時間炊いて皆様にご提供していますと、その中にも入ってるんですが、揚げ玉っていうのもですね、ミシュランのジググルマに掲載されている食べという天ぷら屋さんを交渉させていただいて獲得しております。今から土手というものを作るんですけど、この土手というのは月島が発祥でございまして、土手をなぜ作るかというと、もんじゃって水分量が高いんですね。でだしの水分量が高いのがもんじゃで、その水分量高いものをちょっととろみつけるには土手を作って、その中でとろみをつけさせていこうというのが月島のこの土手を作られたと思います。あとはもんじゃって実はお好み焼きの起源とも言われてまして、はい、お好み焼きの前にできる前にこのもんじゃがあってお好み焼きができたとも言われておりまして、
こっちが先。
そうなんです。はい、結局はだしのもので、このだしを粉をいっぱい入れたことによってお好み焼きができたと言われているので、もう明治からこのもんじゃっていうのがありまして、その時はもんじ焼き、もじ焼きっていうんですけど、それは鉄板に子供たちが遊びながら字を書いていたことから始まって、それでせんべいを作りながら遊びながら食べてたっていう、それがもんじ焼きという昔の言葉で言われるようになりまして、
なるほど。
それが派生してどんどんもじ焼き、もんじゃ焼きとなったとも言われていますね。
なるほど。
日本の経済が上がってくるにつれて、こういうふうに具材が増えていったと。はい、最初はもう醤油と、あとはその蜂蜜とかシロップだけで食べてたんですけど、そこからコーンを入れたりとかキャベツを入れたりとか、そういうものが増えていったと思います。
自分でできるお店っていうのもありますけど、やってもらった方が断然
そうです
美味しそうです
ね。
ね。
今はもう新しいお店のもんじゃは基本的にもう店員さんやスタッフがやるようなところが増えてきてるんですけど、古い老舗のお店のところはまだ自分でやりなさいっていうところもあるので。
なるほど。なんかやってもらった方が十分いい。さっきのだってバーガーのやつ絶対自分でできない。
できないですね。もう
どうしてかわかんない。
意味わからないですね。
The original monja. I gotta say, this smells amazing. I think it's because of the dashi that they use. I taste a little bit of like sauce. All the different textures make it so fun to eat. Can just point out the view behind you. Look at this, it's beautiful. Look at that. Those are all condominiums here. What area is that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, it's in Tokyo though. We are in Tokyo.
Maybe. You can use this one for variety way. Like use spoon or eat as it is.
Go ahead. Maybe like half. Can you like not? Maybe just one area, please.
Okay. He doesn't like.
No. I mean, you know.
It's experimental.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then mix a little bit like this. Maybe this one gives a nice crunchiness, the texture. Okay, right. いただきます。
Isn't the dashi amazing? It's so refined for
Yes.
monja.
Dashi, it's totally different from the burger one. More Japanese flavor.
Exactly.
Very good dashi taste. Yes, it's really like. This senbei add the texture. The overall, the monja texture is soft, but this one gives a crunchiness. It's fun to eat. The last one is genovese monja. I've never thought about this combination, monja and genovese sauce. What's an interesting combination? Yeah, the smell is amazing, looks nice. Can't wait. Little one is a little bit soupy, but it's okay, already okay. And inside it's octopus. Wow, this is monja. There is a monja taste, the dashi flavor, but not like other monja. Cheese and genovese. I'm eating like pizza or pasta. Wow, interesting. And it's delicious. The flavor is really nicely balanced. The Japanese taste and the Italian taste. In this genovese sauce, they use basil, but not only that, they also use ova perera leaves. This cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, what a luxurious monja. And the flavor, it works really well.
Wow. What? Oh, oh my god, this is incredible. I don't even know what to say anymore because the monja, this particular one, kind of blew my mind. At first, I thought genovese with like mascarpone cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. What a waste to put it into this thing, this gooey looking thing, and octopus, and there's like there's so many ingredients in here, but like Satoshi said, it really, really works. And my impression of monja has done a 360. It really has. We want to make a must-eat video in Tokyo, like all the iconic food of Tokyo, and monja is a Tokyo original. However, neither of us were fans of monja, so we were like, should we like just ignore monja? But but this has definitely changed our mind, and thank you, Satoshi, for recommending us to eat monja, because now I'm a huge fan. I am a huge fan. I'm so sorry, monja. I have underestimated. I am so very sorry. Oh, so we just finished our fantastic meal.
Pleasantly surprised.
Me too.
Really, really tasty monja.
Yeah. I don't know if it's this particular shot, but monja has really evolved into like a gourmet cuisine, in my opinion.
Monja 2.0.
2.0, 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah. Tsukishima, as you can see, there are not many tourists that come here. We talked to the shop owner, and he said Tsukishima's not really well known to tourists. And everyone goes to Asakusa and they eat monja there. But guys, you should come here. You don't have to wait in line. And there are almost 70 monja shops here alone in this one area.
Yes.
And it's a really charming area. It has the old Showa era feel, of course, with combined with modern shops as well. I heard that the melon bread here is good. There are a couple of melon shops that we saw, so that's something that we have to come back to try. And definitely try monja on your next visit to Tokyo, if you can, at the shop we went to today.
So when you go to Osaka, maybe you eat takoyaki or okonomiyaki. Like that, you have to eat monja in Tokyo.
For sure. Tokyo original.
Yes. Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious video. Bye bye.
See you next time.